Up here for hunting camp 2020, November 14th today. Managed to sneak up here for one day of hunting. Tomorrow is opening day on Sunday, so up here to enjoy it while we can. Oh, someone's gunshots. Someone's sighting their guns in probably. Jason just started the first fire in the cabin. We're gonna sleep in here tonight, first time.
We're gonna try to.
Officially got smoke coming out of the chimney. Good job, Jason.
We got heat.
You got heat. Or documenting. All right.
Oh my God.
There's a mouse right there. What? You found a live one?
And I smacked him with the broom. He jumped down. He started running this way, and I was like, smashed him.
Oh, there's deer poop right here. That's a good thing. All right, one more improvement to the shack. Got the buddy heater mounted. We just saw a deer up there a few minutes ago. And we saw a deer right down there earlier today, so good sign for tomorrow. All right, made it out to the deer blind this morning. It's, what time is it? About 6:20 a.m. right now. Walking up to my blind, my shooting shack was surrounded by deer. So they didn't move till I got right up to them. I didn't see any antlers. Looked like they were all doe, but even when I got in my shack, there was a deer standing like 15 feet away that didn't move, so I should be surrounded by deer right now. Bring in a big buck for me. We'll see what happens. Got the buddy heater going. Gonna enjoy some coffee. All right, ended up getting this nice 7-point. Pretty big deer. So this was my first buck. I was very happy with it. I didn't get as much footage of everything as I would have liked to, but we were headed home that night, and after I shot the buck and everything started unfolding, I wasn't thinking about recording anything until later, unfortunately. But earlier in the day I did pass up a 4-point, and then when this 7-point came along, I think when I noticed him, he had already noticed me, so we had a little bit of a waiting game going on until I could get my gun up and put my peep sight on him, and then right when I went up into my scope, it was right on his heart, so I just took a breath and pulled the trigger, and he went down. He took a few leaps and went down. Nice shot right in the heart, and had a great experience and a great time. Thank you for watching.